Lyca Mobile PUK code. In today's video, you are going to learn how to find Lyca Mobile PUK code. So let's get started. First, check the original SIM card packaging, and the 8-digit UK PUK code is usually printed on the plastic card that held your SIM when you first received it. In some regions, you can also find your PUK code by logging into your Lyca mobile online account or customer dashboard. If you cannot locate it, contact Lyca Mobile Service Center and dial 322 from your local Lyca mobile phone or call the regional support number listed on the Lyca Mobile Services. Be ready to provide your Lyca mobile number, SIM serial number, basic verification details like recent calls or payments. Entering the wrong PUK code 10 times can permanently lock your SIM card. Only enter it when you are sure it is correct. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get your Lyca mobile PUK code.